Welcome. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to remove a website from your LinkedIn profile on your PC, following the latest update. If you've added a website to your LinkedIn contact info and want to take it off, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process quickly and easily. First, open your browser and head over to LinkedIn. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home page, look to the top right corner of your screen. Click on the Me icon. This is your profile picture or silhouette. A drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Settings. This will take you to your account settings page, where you can manage all your personal information and preferences. Next, under the Account Preferences section, find and click on Name, Location, and Industry. This is where you can update your basic profile details. Scroll down until you see the Edit Contact Info option. Click on it to open your contact information. Here, you'll see all the contact details you've added to your LinkedIn profile, including any websites. Find the website you want to remove. Next to it, you'll notice a Remove button. Click on Remove. A confirmation prompt will pop up, asking if you're sure you want to delete this website from your profile. Confirm your choice by clicking Remove again. That's it. The website will be instantly removed from your LinkedIn contact information. Let's quickly recap the steps. Open LinkedIn on your browser, click the Me icon, go to Settings, select Name, Location, and Industry under Account Preferences, scroll down to Edit Contact Info, and finally click Remove next to the website and confirm. With these simple steps, you can keep your LinkedIn profile up to date and control exactly what contact information you share. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more LinkedIn tips and updates. Thanks for watching.